What's up guys, it's TFTest channel. Today unboxing the Nubia Alpha flexible smartwatch. Yeah, it's really nice smartwatch. Okay, let's look the box. Box top and bottom side yellow logo is printed and it's a gold color, really nice. And box back side is some specifications is mentioned, it's the main features. Okay, let's pull off the plastic wrapper. Oops. Yep, okay guys, let's open the box. What's inside? Inside of the front side smartwatch here, it's looking so nice. On the watch screen side is a Nubia logo, it's a printed, it's a plastic wrapper. Okay, let's look the watch. Oops. Yep, it's not bad. Okay, later look the smartwatch. Let's look the more inside. Two mini boxes here on left and right side. Let's pull up the box one and two. Okay guys, let's look the second box inside is a fixer here, it's a charging fixer as well as same corner band 4 type it's using to charge the band. Okay, no more inside the box. Let's look the smartwatch. Guys, it's a Nubia's first smartwatch. It's a flexible screen smartwatch. Okay, some reason to I'm quiet my sound and turn on the computer voice.
Nubia's new wearable puts a 4-inch flexible smartphone on your wrist. The idea of using flexible displays to bring together the form factors of the smartwatch and the smartphone. But that's exactly what Nubia has done with the Nubia Alpha, a smartwatch with a lot of the functionality of a regular smartphone. We saw it shown off in a non-touchable capacity at IFA last year, and now at MWC 2019 we've finally had a chance to strap it on our wrists and take it for a proper test drive. Essential information can be moved around the display. At the core of Nubia's ambitious attempt to redefine the smartwatch is its flexible OLED display. Although the display measures just 4 inches corner to corner, it appears a lot bigger because of its ultra-wide aspect ratio. The display has a resolution of 960 by 192, which by our calculations results in an aspect ratio of 5:1, or 45:9 if you want to compare it to traditional displays. According to Nubia, the display can withstand being bent 100,000 times, which should allow you to wrap it around your wrist without worrying about damaging it. The Nubia Alpha's display is really wide, but the bend of the smartwatch's screen means you rarely get to see it all at once. Instead, Nubia's custom Android-based OS lets you scroll the watch's essential information so it's readable from any angle. You can drag the clock down onto the right-hand side of your wrist if you're left-handed, for example, or scroll it up so you can see more menu items at the bottom of the screen. Otherwise, the watch's operating system is navigated using a series of simplified icon menus, where all the options are tiled in a row from top to bottom. You swipe left and right to move between lists of apps grouped by functionality.